Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about two important interview questions that can literally freeze us. Okay, so if you are a real-time guy who have upskilled, or if you are new to IT and you have learned Tableau or Power BI or any tool and you are trying to answer, then these two are these two questions are something that we definitely need our answers to be ready. Okay, so let us see the first question here. So first questions that interviewer is asking these days is how do you get your data? So now this question it might not be technical, but yet it is very important. So if you are a real-time guy, then you will answer. But what about those who are new to this and who have got this question? So they literally get freezed because they don't know what is in the environment or how we get the data and all. So here the answer to this lies here. Let us discuss about it. So generally, whatever the data that we have or whatever the data that Tableau uses are from the final tables. Okay. So when I say final tables, let us draw a typical architecture of how we get the data. So consider it as different data sources for Tableau. Okay, so there will be an ETL team or a database team who will get this data from all the different sources. Okay, and they will load it or after applying business logics. So this part we can call it as extraction layer, where we are bringing the data from different tables or different data sources, and here is the area where we are applying business logics and all. Now after cleansing the data and after transforming the data according to the business needs, the data will then be loaded into final tables by this team. Okay, so this final tables reporting team will be using it for their development process. So this is what we need to explain in our interview whenever we get this question. Like there is a database team which gets the data and they modify or cleanse the data according to the business requirement that we have received, and they will load that data into final tables, which Tableau team or which we will be using it for our reporting purpose. This is what we need to answer whenever you get this question. Now let us see what is the second question that we might get. So what is your team size? Now this is like a very generic question, yet we might get freezed because we don't know what can be the team size or what is the ideal answer for this. Now if you are going for a service based companies like Infosys and all, so there are chances that there might be one developer who is taking care of all the development and all, or they can be 2 to 3 developers if the project is big, or there can be more than 4. Okay, there are chances if the project is very big, then you can have very 4. Like assume it is a production support, then you will have people working on multiple tools parallelly. So in that kind of cases, you might have more than 4. So now what will be the typical answer, or what will be the standard or convincing answer that we can give here? So I can tell that better give it as 2 as your first preference, because many of my subscribers I feel are trying to upskill, and they are planning to attend interviews and get the job. So for those you can give the answer as 2 developers to be on safe side. You can tell them that okay, one is a senior developer. If you don't want to mention that also, it is fine. So there are 2 developers and we work together on the assigned task, and we do all the development, all the testing, and migration is done by these 2 developers. So like that you can answer this question. Okay, so I think that's it from my side in this video. I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.